Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video we are going to work on a ceiling fan. As you can see, I have my ceiling fan running backward. What you do if your ceiling fan running backward, might be a lot of people know about it, but I still decided to make a video for the people who don't know about it. So what you have to do, simply you have to stop your fan as I'm going to do. Just wait to stop. Once it stop, look around. Majority of chance you have a switch like that. I have a little switch over here. Let me make a little bit more clear. I have a switch over here. Actually, that's the switch for rotation. So what you do, you flip other way. If you want to make if it's running right way, you want to make a reverse, then just flip it other way, like either way. Whatever rotation is running, you want to flip it other rotation, just change the switch. So I'm lucky I have this switch on it. So as soon as it turns, this fan will run in right direction. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.